Today we shall discuss the concept of foreign exchange rate, the appreciation of the domestic currency, and the determination of foreign exchange rate under flexible exchange rate system. First of all, we shall understand the meaning of foreign exchange rate. Foreign exchange rate refers to the number of units of the domestic currency required to acquire 1 unit of the foreign currency. For example, in today's foreign exchange market, to acquire 1 Saudi riyal, we need to pay 20 Indian rupees. Okay, so rupees 20 is required to acquire 1 Saudi riyal. So this is a foreign exchange rate between India and Saudi Arabia. Now it can be expressed in the other form also. Rupee 1 can be used to acquire 1 by 20 Saudi riyal, which is equals to 0.05 Saudi riyal. So we can say that 1 rupee can purchase 0.05 Saudi riyal, or rupees 20 is required to acquire 1 Saudi riyal. Both are equally correct whenever we define or whenever we state the meaning of the foreign exchange rate. Okay, so now what is the meaning of depreciation and appreciation of the domestic currency? Now in general, depreciation means fall in the value of something. Now we are talking about depreciation of domestic currency, which means it is a fall in the external value of the domestic currency in the foreign exchange market. In other words, it can be said that when there is a depreciation of Indian rupee, I am taking Indian rupee as a domestic currency. For example, there is fall in the external value of Indian rupee. It means we need to pay more rupee to acquire 1 unit of the foreign currency. Now let us take one example. Now for example, Indian rupee is depreciated by rupees 5 to acquire 1 Saudi riyal. Now what does it mean? Initially, rupees 20 needs to be paid for 1 Saudi riyal, and now rupees 25 needs to be paid for 1 Saudi riyal. Now in this case, Indian rupee is depreciated by rupees 5. That means 5 rupee extra is to be paid to acquire 1 Saudi riyal. Now it can be equated in the other form also. For example, initially 1 by 20 Saudi riyal could be purchased by paying rupee 1, that is 0.05 Saudi Riyal is equals to 1 rupee. But now 1/25 Saudi Riyal can be purchased by paying rupee 1. Again, that is 0.04 Saudi Riyal is equal to rupee 1. So it is very much clear that 1 rupee could purchase 0.05 Saudi Riyal. Now it can purchase only 0.04 Saudi Riyal. That means Indian rupee has depreciated. This is one thing.